My name is Al Stanstead. I found the gutter people, I think it was online, and then they wound up contacting me. We scheduled the installation, and the guys overall were very good, knew what they were doing, and I was very, very pleased with the way they showed me the gutter clean out, which was a lot worse than I thought they were. So I was very happy that they cleaned the gutters out completely before they even began their installation. And then once they were finished with their installation, they explained more to me how the install worked, the guarantee that was behind it, and pricing. I paid in total for the job, and it was basically wanted to be set up. It's like a birthday present. My wife was tired of me climbing on ladders. I'm almost 75 years old. I've had some pretty extensive back surgeries in the last few years. So obviously she did not want me up on ladders anymore. And I really didn't want to anymore either. So again, they did a very good job. They cleaned up after themselves. So thank you very much.